Liziqi. My name is Kashrox. I'm from Nigeria, and also I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber, Kashrox on YouTube, and I'm so happy that you're going to be watching this video. Like, it means a lot to me. I'm one of your biggest fans all the way from Nigeria, and I'm just really happy that you're going to be seeing this video from me to you. Now, the video of yours that I actually watched that made me to subscribe to your channel and made me to keep watching your other content is the video that you did about cucumber. Like, you said something about cucumber lifespan. You showed us how one can plant cucumber and also how cucumber normally grows. And also how cucumber normally grows. You showed us the lifespan of it. You showed us so many things on that vlog, and it was really relaxing. It was so amazing. I loved that vlog a lot. The vlog was really not that short, but I watched to the end of it. I didn't skip any part. I enjoyed it. I watched where you went to pick your mushroom. I watched where you were preparing the food. Like, the video content, the editing down to the video quality was just so relaxing. I just loved everything about that video, and because of that, it made me to watch a lot of your videos. Your other videos, like, they are bomb. Like, they are really amazing. They are bomb. Yes, if I'm given the opportunity, yes, I would like to visit Sichuan. When I was back home in Nigeria, I had some Chinese friends, and these friends are actually people from Sichuan. They taught me some sentences in Sichuan language, which is that word, are you comfortable, which is babu base, ni babu base. Are you comfortable or not? And in Central Chinese, it's actually ni shubu shufu. And also, I also learned how to say I know in Sichuan language, which is wo xiao de and wo bu xiao de. Wo bu xiao de is just like I don't know, and wo xiao de is I know. So these are the things I actually learned from my Chinese friends, and I hope and wish to visit Sichuan anytime or any moment I get invited to Sichuan. I will be so glad to visit the city. And also, I would love to visit Beijing. I'm currently in China, and I've been to a lot of cities here in China. I've been to Lanzhou, I've been to Wuxi, Yiwu, Guangzhou, Hangzhou, Xi'an, Longnan. I've been to a lot of places. I've been to Rugao, so I've been to Lin. So these are the places I've actually been to. I've also been to Shanghai, so I feel like I have Beijing and I also have Sichuan left for me to visit before I know that, yeah, I actually visited a lot of places here in China. I want to wish you the best, Liziqi. I want to wish you greatness. I want to wish you favor. I want to wish you more laughter. I want to wish you joy. I want you to know that people out here love you. We love your content. We love everything you do. Woman gender, I see你啦 gender， 我们爱你。我希望就是未来能来到四川，我希望能见到你，未来能和你拍视频。我希望未来能来到四川。看到见到你，真的我爱死你啦！我是从尼日利亚来的，然后呢，我希望就是你能来到尼日利亚。此次欢迎你来到尼日利亚玩。I hope to see you in Nigeria anytime soon. I hope that we get to meet one of these days. It is just one of my 梦想，就是我的梦想。It is one of my dreams that I get to see you, take pictures, take videos with you. It is my heartfelt wishes. I love you. Thank you for watching this clip, and do hope to get a feedback from you. Bye.